This is a demonstration of the combination use of a bill acceptor and Visa, MasterCard, credit card payments using a cellular phone. Now I've got here brought up the Clear Token cell phone app to make a vend using a cell phone. What I'm going to do is press my screen here. I'm going to identify the machine. This happens to be the IDO75. So I'll go out and click on that. It's going to go Bluetooth connection to my module, and I'm going to do a $10 vend. Okay, and hit vend, and then you'll see the little meter go click, click, click 10 times. Those are 10 pulses. And then the screen shows it's complete. This is very easy to implement with any vending machine that's got a pulse mode bill acceptor. It doesn't matter what make or model. It's pulse mode, 12 volts. Press done. I'm done with that. Put this to one side. So whether you're using bills or wanting a Visa MasterCard payment, both can be in the same vending machine by ordering the XCP's Vendavolt CT12. It's a little modular part. It's very simple to hook up. It's only 3 wires, 3-wire connection, and you're in business. So you can splice connect into your existing harness of your vending machine to your plus 12, your ground, and your signal line. And that's all it's to it. And it's nothing more than this. And by the way, there is no cost for processing Visa and MasterCards with this Clear Token application. For any additional information or a sample of this little $199 module, please contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021 or drop us an email at sales@xcpcorp.com. Visit our website www.xcpcorp.com. This concludes our video.